with the big story of the day. The suspense is over 3 weeks after he was removed as the Aam Aadmi Party's deputy leader in Rajya Sabha. Raghav Chadha on Friday announced that he and 6 other Aam Aadmi Party MPs in Rajya Sabha have merged with the party, with the Bharatiya Janata Party. So simply put, 7 Aam Aadmi Party MPs in Rajya Sabha have said goodbye to Arvind Kejriwal. They've decided to join the Bharatiya Janata Party. Aam Aadmi Party has called this Operation Lotus a conspiracy by the Bharatiya Janata Party. They've also labelled Raghav Chadha and 6 others as traitors. Now, the signs were emerging that Raghav Chadha might just head to the Bharatiya Janata Party ahead of the crucial elections there in Punjab, but not many expected him to take 7 other MPs as well. Now, this is a major blow to the party's chief, Arvind Kejriwal, ahead of the crucial Punjab Assembly elections. Raghav Chadha held a press conference last evening to announce the decision along with Sandeep Pathak and Ashok Mittal. Interestingly, in fact, Ashok Mittal was recently made the party's deputy leader in Rajya Sabha when Raghav Chadha was removed. These 3 then went on to meet the Bharatiya Janata Party chief Nitin Nabin at the party's headquarters in the national capital. So let me tell you who these 7 rebel MPs are, who these MPs are when it comes to leaving the Aam Aadmi Party. So here are the details. The first one, as we saw in the press conference, is Raghav Chadha. He has quit the party. He's the one who held the press conference as well. Ashok Mittal, who is a Rajya Sabha MP, who was the Rajya Sabha MP of the Aam Aadmi Party, also the founder and the chancellor of the LPU, Sandeep Pathak, IIT, and Harbhajan Singh, a famous cricketer, Swati Maliwal, who has been having controversies with the Aam Aadmi Party, is also quitting. Rajinder Gupta, Vikramjit Singh Sawhney, he has also quit the party. So these are the 7 Aam Aadmi Party MPs, of which 6 are from Punjab, which the only state where Aam Aadmi Party is in power as well. So that remains the scene as of now. In total, 6 out of these 7 MPs are from Punjab. Raghav Chadha was accused by the Aam Aadmi Party just recently of doing soft PR on social media, not raising any real issues of the common people on the ground. But when he decided to quit the party, Raghav Chadha said that he is the right person, but he was in the wrong party. Listen into what he said.
जिस आम आदमी पार्टी को मैंने अपने खून और पसीने से सींचा और अपनी जवानी के 15 साल दिए, वो आम आदमी पार्टी आज पूरी तरीके से अपने सिद्धांतों से, अपने मूल्यों से, अपने कोर मॉरल और वैल्यूज से भटक चुकी है। और अब ये पार्टी देश के लिए नहीं, देश के हित के लिए नहीं, बल्कि अपने पर्सनल फायदे के लिए काम कर रही है। आप में से कई लोग पिछले कुछ सालों से मुझे ये कह भी रहे थे, और मैं पर्सनली पिछले कुछ सालों से ये महसूस कर रहा था दैट आई एम द राइट मैन इन द रॉन्ग पार्टी। हमने ये डिसाइड किया दैट वी द 2/3 मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट ऑफ द बिलोंगिंग टू द आम आदमी पार्टी इन राज्यसभा एक्सरसाइज द प्रोविजंस ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया एंड मर्ज आवरसेल्व्स विद द बीजेपी। हम बीजेपी में विलय करते हैं।
10 साल से इस पार्टी से मैं जुड़ा रहा और आज मैं आम आदमी पार्टी से अपने रास्ते अलग कर रहा हूं। मेरे पास 3 रास्ते थे। पहला, इसी पार्टी में काम करते हुए आगे बढ़ना। दूसरा, राजनीति छोड़ देना। और तीसरा, किसी अलग पॉलिटिकल प्लेटफॉर्म में जाकर देश की सेवा कंटिन्यू करना।
And now remember, this comes just 1 year ahead of the crucial elections there in Punjab, which is crucial for the Aam Aadmi Party, as it is the only state where they are currently in power. So let me tell you about the implication of this big jolt to the Aam Aadmi Party and the implication when it comes to Punjab as well. How it will affect them is something that remains to be seen. Impact number 1 is Arvind Kejriwal further loses his standing in the national politics, because these are the MPs that you can see on the screen that have now left the Aam Aadmi Party. Impact number 2 is Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party reduces to just 6 MPs in the parliament, because 7 of them have now left, reducing the number in the parliament down to just 6 MPs. Aam Aadmi Party, a much weaker anti-BJP player in the parliament at this point in time. And impact number 4 of these MPs leaving the Aam Aadmi Party is that 6 out of 7 MPs that have quit, they are from Punjab. That could hurt prospects of the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the crucial elections there in the state. Another major dent to Kejriwal's Imandar narrative as well, because of the corruption allegations that they have also leveled. Exodus might influence Aam Aadmi Party MLAs in Punjab as well, and that is when, in fact, in the backdrop of the statement that has been given by the Congress president there in Punjab, that many of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs are in touch with the Bharatiya Janata Party is what we are learning. Now, while none of these MPs had any major influence in the politics in Punjab, the fact that 6 of these MPs are from Punjab certainly affects the optics when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party in the state. No wonder then that the real Aam Aadmi Party, the Kejriwal loyalists, went on to brand Raghav Chadha and the people who have quit along with him as traitors.
आज उस सरकार के साथ ऑपरेशन लोटस का खेल खेला जा रहा है, हमारे सांसदों को तोड़ा जा रहा है, उनको अपनी पार्टी में शामिल किया जा रहा है, ईडी सीबीआई का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है। आपको याद होगा भी कुछ दिन पहले 2-3-4 दिन पहले अशोक मित्तल के यहां ईडी का छापा पड़ा। चीजें अपने आप में जुड़ती है, ईडी का छापा पड़ा और तोड़ लिया।
ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੀਜੇਪੀ ਨੇ ਗਦਾਰੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਰਾਜ ਸਭਾ ਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਮੈਂਬਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲ ਬੁਲਾ ਲਿਆ। ਉਹੀ ਵਾਸ਼ਿੰਗ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸ਼ਰਦ ਪਵਾਰ ਹੋਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਦਵ ਠਾਕਰੇ ਹੋਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਬੀਜੇਪੀ ਕੋਲ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੁਝ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਆਪਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਬੇਸ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਵੀ।
All right, with that, we have a breaking update coming in because we're learning that the Aam Aadmi Party leader, Manish Sisodia, met with the Aam Aadmi Party chief, Arvind Kejriwal, after arriving at the airport, and meeting between the two lasted for about half an hour is what we're learning, and this is coming after Raghav Chadha and 6 others have quit the Aam Aadmi Party. The leadership there in key huddle. Manish Sisodia met with Arvind Kejriwal. Two leaders held a key meeting, a closed-door talk that went on for 30 minutes is what we're learning, and Delhi politics was also in focus. Let me go across to my colleague Kritika on this. Kritika, 7 Aam Aadmi Party MPs in Rajya Sabha, they have quit the party, they have switched over to the Bharatiya Janata Party. But now the bigger question is what next, and what options does the Aam Aadmi Party have after this exodus of the crucial people ahead of the Punjab Assembly elections as well?
Right, Akansha, while upon returning from Gujarat, campaigning in Gujarat, Manish Sisodia did meet with Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal and discussed, in fact, the latest of the 7 resignations that have happened as far as the Rajya Sabha members of Parliament is concerned. Now, remember, Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party, also the Rajya Sabha MP, has stated that he will be writing a letter to the Parliament Secretariat over disqualification of Raghav Chadha, Ashok Kumar Mittal, as well as Sandeep Pathak as well, citing anti-defection law. So this is the strategy of the Aam Aadmi Party. As of now, this is what he's in fact termed it. Yesterday as well, Arvind Kejriwal had called this in fact a big shove to the people of Punjab dealt by the Bharatiya Janata Party. So this is whom the Aam Aadmi Party is currently blaming. They've stated that while these MPs did not make any meaningful contributions, did not have to fight for their seats, did not have to seek votes, they were in fact given ready-made seats by the Aam Aadmi Party. They've still gone on and betrayed not only the party but also the people of Punjab. So definitely, as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, this is a time for confidence building as well. We did hear the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann yesterday say that the MLAs currently in the Punjab assemblies of the Aam Aadmi Party stand together. But remember, there are also murmurs. We have the Congress MP Arminder Singh Raja Waring also stating that in fact a lot of them are in touch with different parties as well.
Absolutely, and that is a big claim that is coming from the Congress president there in Punjab, that many of the MLAs there belonging to the Aam Aadmi Party, they are on BJP's radar. A big claim. It remains to be seen what Aam Aadmi Party has to say on that. Thanks so much, Kritika, for getting us all those details. Now, one can also not ignore the advantage of the move that this gets to NDA. Let's tell you how this changes things for both the NDA and the Aam Aadmi Party when it comes to the parliament. Now, before this happened, as far as Rajya Sabha is concerned, Aam Aadmi Party had 10 MPs. Now, after this, Aam Aadmi Party is only left with 3 MPs there in Rajya Sabha. Total strength is 244 MPs. Now, as far as Lok Sabha is concerned, Rajya Sabha is concerned, BJP has 106 MPs, and with this, with the switch over of the Aam Aadmi Party, 7 of them to the Bharatiya Janata Party, the number has now increased to 113. But for the Aam Aadmi Party, this has just come down to 3 is what we are learning so far. So that is very important when it comes to the number game there in the parliament. But very interestingly, the Congress party seems to believe that this is just the start. While some in the Congress party have echoed that the Aam Aadmi Party, the claim that is being made by the Aam Aadmi Party of the Operation Lotus, there are others who claim that up to 50 MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party, they are on the speed dial of the Bharatiya Janata Party there in Punjab. Listen in to this big claim.
Operation Kamala, as we call it in Karnataka, is always running 24/7 with BJP. They can never get a majority without those kind of tactics. These dirty tricks has been mastered by BJP in Karnataka and is being implemented throughout the country by Mr. Amit Shah and Mr. Modi.
आम आदमी पार्टी सुचेत रहे, ऐसा ना हो कि आपके 50 विधायक एक दिन में ही बदल जाएं। ये तो सांसद गए हैं।
And what's also interesting is how Raghav Chadha and his MPs who have now switched over to the Bharatiya Janata Party, they will not be facing any expulsion. Let me take you through the details of how Raghav has evaded disqualification and what the rules actually say. That one party is allowed to merge with another when it comes to the parliament. But there is a condition. At least 2/3 MPs must be in favor of the merger. With 2/3 support, no MP faces the disqualification. In this particular case, there were 10 MPs in Rajya Sabha belonging to the Aam Aadmi Party. 2/3 of them, that is 7 of them, they have quit, and this is how they have evaded disqualification there. Now, what Raghav Chadha needs right now, he needed support of at least 7 of the 10 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs there, and this is how Raghav Chadha, his partners, they have managed to evade the disqualification as per the anti-defection law there when it comes to the parliament. The BJP, on the other hand, is saying that this is a sign that the Aam Aadmi Party there in Punjab and Arvind Kejriwal must introspect and must look within. Have a look.
आम आदमी पार्टी जिस प्रकार के स्वप्न दिखाकर सत्ता में आई थी, उस पार्टी ने जनता का विश्वासघात किया और कई लोग लगातार आम आदमी पार्टी से मोहभंग होकर टूटते रहे, जिन्होंने मूल रूप से एंटी करप्शन आंदोलन को खड़ा किया। ऐसे करीब करीब सब लोगों ने इस पार्टी से मुंह मोड़ लिया और मुझे लगता है कि अब तो जो लोग पार्टी में है उनको भी ये ध्यान में आया कि किस प्रकार से एंटी करप्शन आंदोलन का एक बुर्खा ओढ़कर केवल सत्ता की राजनीति की गई। इसलिए फिर एक बार देश की मुख्य धारा में प्रधानमंत्री जी पर और भारतीय जनता पार्टी पर विश्वास रखकर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये निर्णय हो रहे हैं और ऐसे सभी निर्णयों का हम स्वागत करते हैं।
And you would remember how Anna Hazare, how closely he was connected to the Aam Aadmi Party. He has also responded to the update and said that the party has lost the direction after securing money and power. Listen in.
कुछ ना कुछ तो कारण होगा। लोकतंत्र है, उनको जो लगता है जहाँ जाना वहाँ जाएंगे। कोई पक्ष और पार्टी से स्थलांतर करता है। अगर सही पक्ष और पार्टी चलती तो नहीं जाते, समाज और देश को भूल गए और सत्ता और पैसा के पीछे पिट गए, इसके कारण गड़बड़ी हो गई।
And with this, a very short break. More news and updates on the other side.